Did you know that ancient civilizations possessed a secret that kept their health in peak condition for centuries? This secret wasn't hidden in a medicine cabinet, it was inside their glasses. Stay with me, because today we are discussing 10 fermented drinks from around the world for better digestion. But wait, you don't want to miss what's coming up. Drink number 3. This isn't a juice or a tea, it's actually made from bread, but it works like magic for your liver and gut health. Drink number 7. This is a desert secret used in the hottest parts of the world to keep the stomach cool and calm instantly. And drink number 9. Its fermentation process is so unique that it has become the #1 choice for fitness experts worldwide. You'll want to see why this is a total game changer for your health. Before we jump into drink number 1, if you love uncovering the secrets of nature and health, make sure to subscribe to Nature's Armory and hit that bell icon. Don't forget to like this video and share it with someone who needs a health boost. Let's start with drink number 1, which traveled from the mountains of Asia to conquer the entire world. Number 1. Kombucha, the immortality tea. More than 2,000 years ago in ancient China, this drink was known as the tea of immortality. Legend says emperors consumed it daily, believing it held the secret to long life and internal balance. It wasn't medicine, it was a ritual, something taken consistently, not occasionally. What makes it fascinating isn't just the history, it's what's happening inside the drink. Kombucha is created using something called a SCOBY, a living culture made of bacteria and yeast. When placed in sweet tea, this culture begins to feed on the sugar. But instead of simply breaking it down, it transforms it, producing organic acids, enzymes, and natural probiotics. Think of it as a microscopic factory working in real time. Now, here's where it becomes useful for the body. Kombucha supports digestion by helping balance gut bacteria. The natural acids it produces may also help improve how your body breaks down food. Many people notice less bloating and a lighter feeling after consistent use. But the experience of drinking it is just as unique. It's slightly fizzy, lightly tangy, and has a refreshing sharpness, almost like a natural soda, but cleaner. That subtle fermentation bite is what tells you it's active. Now here's something practical most people don't realize. You don't need expensive bottles to start. You can make it at home using tea, sugar, and a healthy SCOBY. But one important thing, never over-ferment it. If left too long, it becomes overly acidic and harsh on the stomach. Start small, let your body adjust, because this isn't just a drink, it's a living system working with your body. Number 2. Kefir, the living drink. High in the Caucasus Mountains, people pass down something unusual from generation to generation. Not a recipe, but a living culture. They called it kefir. Instead of using powder or artificial starters, this drink is made from kefir grains, clusters of beneficial bacteria, and yeast that look like tiny, soft crystals. But these aren't grains in the traditional sense. They're alive. When added to milk or water, these cultures begin feeding on natural sugars like lactose. As they ferment, they break those sugars down into simpler compounds, making the drink easier to digest, even for people sensitive to dairy. This is where kefir becomes powerful. It doesn't just add probiotics, it helps your body process food more efficiently. It supports gut balance and may even help reduce digestive discomfort over time. And here's something interesting. Kefir contains more diverse probiotics than yogurt. That means it introduces a wider range of beneficial bacteria into your system. Now let's talk about the experience. The texture is smooth, slightly thick, and lightly tangy. It has a gentle fizz, almost like a soft, drinkable yogurt, but lighter. And the best part? It's incredibly simple to make. Add kefir grains to milk, leave it at room temperature, and within a day, you have a fresh, active drink. But here's a small warning. Don't overconsume it at the start. Because it's so rich in probiotics, your body needs time to adapt. Start slow, then build. Because this isn't just food. It's a living ecosystem entering your body. Number 3. Kvass, Eastern Europe. The bread drink. At first, this doesn't even sound like a drink. bread, turned into something you can pour into a glass. But for centuries in Eastern Europe, Kvass has been exactly that, a simple, fermented drink made from rye bread, water, and natural cultures. It began as a necessity. People needed a way to preserve nutrients and create something refreshing without relying on fresh ingredients all the time. And through fermentation, they found a solution. Here's what makes Kvass interesting. As the bread ferments, natural enzymes and bacteria begin breaking it down. This process releases beneficial compounds, including small amounts of vitamins and organic acids. The result? A drink that's light, slightly sour, and deeply refreshing. But beyond taste, Kvass is known for its impact on digestion and liver support. The fermentation process creates enzymes that can help the body process food more efficiently, especially after heavier meals. Now imagine the experience. A slightly fizzy drink, earthy in flavor, not sweet like soda, but clean and grounding. It's the kind of drink that feels traditional, like something that's been trusted for generations. And here's a simple tip most people overlook. You don't need fresh bread to make it. Even slightly stale rye bread works perfectly. In fact, it often ferments better. Just soak, ferment, and strain. But one thing to remember, keep it lightly fermented. Too much fermentation can make it overly sour and strong. Because this drink isn't about intensity, it's about balance. Number 4. Kanji, the winter healer. In many homes across India and Pakistan, there's a winter tradition that doesn't come from a pharmacy, it comes from the kitchen. A large glass jar sits in sunlight, filled with deep purple liquid, slowly fermenting over days. This is kanji, a drink that families have trusted for generations to support digestion, especially during colder months. Traditionally, it's made using black carrots, water, salt, and mustard seeds. But what makes it powerful isn't just the ingredients, it's what happens after you mix them. As the mixture sits in sunlight, natural fermentation begins. The bacteria present on the vegetables interact with the environment and start breaking down sugars. This process creates lactic acid, which gives kanji its signature sour taste and supports gut health. Here's why that matters. Lactic acid bacteria are known to help maintain a balanced digestive system. They can support the breakdown of food, improve gut environment, and reduce heaviness after meals. But kanji isn't just functional, it's an experience. The taste is bold, slightly sour, slightly spicy from the mustard, with a deep earthy note from the carrots. It's not a mild drink, it wakes up your palate. And here's a practical tip most people miss. If you can't find black carrots, you can use regular carrots with a small amount of beetroot. The fermentation process and benefits remain very similar. But one important thing, don't seal the jar completely during fermentation. The drink needs airflow to develop properly. Because this isn't just a recipe, it's a natural process working with time, light, and life. Number 5. Boza, the ancient energy drink. Long before modern energy drinks existed, people relied on something far more natural. Boza. This thick, fermented drink dates back centuries and was widely consumed across Central Asia and the Ottoman Empire. Soldiers, workers, and travelers drank it not just for taste, but for sustained energy. Boza is made from fermented grains like wheat, corn, or millet. Once cooked and fermented, it transforms into a dense, slightly tangy drink with a naturally rich texture. Here's what makes it unique. Unlike lighter fermented drinks, Boza is filling. It provides both probiotics and complex carbohydrates, making it a combination of nutrition and digestion support. During fermentation, natural bacteria break down parts of the grain, making it easier for the body to process and absorb nutrients. The result? A drink that supports digestion, while also providing long-lasting energy. Now imagine the taste. It's thick, slightly sweet, slightly sour, and often topped with a sprinkle of cinnamon. The texture alone makes it feel more like a meal than a drink. And here's something practical. Boza is best consumed fresh. As it continues to ferment, it becomes more acidic and less balanced in flavor. So if you ever try making it, consume it within a few days, because beyond that, the taste and effect begin to change. This isn't a fast drink. It's slow, traditional, and built for endurance. Number 6. Tepache, the pineapple revival. In Mexico, there's a drink that proves something powerful. Even what most people throw away can be transformed into something valuable. Tepache is made using pineapple peels, water, sugar, and spices like cinnamon. Instead of discarding the outer skin, it becomes the foundation of fermentation. Once mixed and left to sit, natural yeast begins breaking down the sugars, creating a lightly fermented, refreshing drink. Here's what makes it interesting. Because it uses natural fruit surfaces, tepache contains beneficial microorganisms that support digestion. It's not heavily fermented like some drinks, making it lighter, easier, and more accessible. That's why many people enjoy it daily. Now think about the experience. A cold glass of tepache, slightly fizzy, naturally sweet, with a hint of spice and a fresh pineapple aroma. It feels refreshing, not heavy. And here's a powerful takeaway. This drink is a perfect example of waste turned into wellness. Something simple turned into something functional. But one important tip, don't over-ferment it. Too much time can make it overly sour and sharp. 2-3 days is usually enough for balance. Because tepache isn't about intensity, it's about freshness, simplicity, and transformation. Number 7. Lassi, the cooling system. In some of the hottest regions on Earth, people didn't rely on cold drinks from machines. They relied on something far simpler and far more effective. Lassi, also known as chas in its savory form, is one of the oldest fermented drinks still used daily across India and Pakistan. It wasn't created as a trend. It became essential because of how well it works with the body. At its core, this drink is made from yogurt, water, and salt or spices. But the real power comes from fermentation. Yogurt already contains beneficial bacteria. When diluted and consumed regularly, it helps maintain a balanced gut environment. This becomes especially important in hot climates, where digestion can feel heavy or slow. Here's where it becomes practical. Lassi doesn't just support digestion, it helps the body cool down from the inside. The combination of hydration, electrolytes, and probiotics makes it ideal after meals or during heat. Now imagine the experience. A light, smooth drink, slightly tangy, with a hint of salt or spice. It doesn't feel heavy. It feels refreshing, almost calming. And here's something many people overlook. Adding roasted cumin or mint doesn't just improve taste. It enhances digestive support. But one important note. Avoid adding too much sugar in sweet versions. That reduces its natural balance and benefits. Because this drink isn't meant to overwhelm the body. It's meant to stabilize it. Number 8. Rejuvelock, the enzyme water. This drink doesn't come from a culture. It comes from a process. Rejuvelock is made by soaking and fermenting sprouted grains like wheat, quinoa, or barley. It looks simple, almost like cloudy water. But what's happening inside is far more complex. Once grains begin to sprout, they activate enzymes that were previously dormant. When soaked in water, these enzymes and natural bacteria begin to multiply. The result is a lightly fermented liquid rich in enzymes and probiotics. Now here's what makes it different from other drinks. It's not heavy. It doesn't rely on strong flavors. Instead, it works quietly by supporting how your body processes food at a deeper level. Enzymes play a key role in digestion. They help break down nutrients into forms the body can absorb more efficiently. So instead of adding something new, this drink helps your body use what it already has, better. The taste is mild, slightly sour, and very light. It's not something you drink for flavor, it's something you drink for function. And here's a simple tip. You can make it at home with just grains and water. No special tools needed. But one important warning. Always use clean, fresh grains and discard if it smells off. Because fermentation must stay controlled. This isn't a drink you rush. It's a process you allow to happen. Number 9. Ayran, Turkey, the balance drink. In many parts of the Middle East and Turkey, there's a drink that has remained unchanged for centuries. Simple, minimal, effective. Ayran. It's made from just yogurt, water, and salt. No complex ingredients, no elaborate process. And yet, it continues to be one of the most consumed fermented drinks in hot regions. So what makes it special? It's all about balance. The fermentation in yogurt provides beneficial bacteria, while the added water and salt create a natural electrolyte system. This helps the body stay hydrated and supports digestion at the same time. Now here's where it stands out. Unlike sweet drinks, Ayran doesn't overload the body. It stabilizes it. After heavy meals, it helps reduce that feeling of fullness and discomfort. Now imagine drinking it, cold, smooth, slightly salty, with a clean finish. It doesn't try to impress with flavor, it works quietly in the background. And here's something important. This drink has become a favorite among athletes and fitness experts, not because it's trendy, but because it's effective. Hydration plus digestion support in one simple form. But one tip to keep in mind: always use fresh yogurt, because the quality of the base directly affects the benefit. This drink proves something simple. Sometimes, the most powerful solutions are the simplest ones. Number 10. Switchel, the forgotten tonic. Long before energy drinks and electrolyte powders existed, people working long hours under the sun relied on something far more natural. They called it switchel, also known as haymaker's punch. Farmers would drink it during exhausting days in the fields, not because it was trendy, but because it worked. It helped them stay hydrated, energized, and balanced when their bodies needed it the most. At its core, switchel is made from just a few ingredients: water, apple cider vinegar, ginger, and a natural sweetener like honey or molasses. Simple, but powerful. Here's what's happening inside this drink. The apple cider vinegar provides acetic acid, which may support digestion and help the body process food more efficiently. Ginger adds natural compounds that can calm the stomach and reduce discomfort. And the natural sugars provide quick, steady energy without overwhelming the system. Together, they create something that's more than just hydration. It becomes a functional drink, supporting digestion, energy, and internal balance at the same time. Now imagine the experience. Cool, slightly tangy, with a gentle sweetness and a warm hint of ginger. It's refreshing, but not artificial. It feels clean, like something your body understands immediately. And here's something practical most people don't realize. You don't need perfect measurements. Even a simple mix, water, a small amount of vinegar, a touch of ginger, and natural sweetness can create a balanced version at home. But one important tip: don't overdo the vinegar. Too much can feel harsh on the stomach. Keep it balanced. Because switchel isn't about intensity, it's about restoring balance after stress. Now I want to ask you, out of these 10 fermented drinks, which one surprised you the most? And more importantly, which one would you actually try? Let me know in the comments below. If you found this video useful, make sure to like it and share it with someone who cares about their health. And if you want to discover more natural secrets that can improve your daily life, subscribe to Nature's Armory and stay with me. Because sometimes, the most powerful solutions for your health aren't new. They've been around for centuries,